There weren't a lot of Indian writers who wrote in English in the 19th and early 20th century, but one of the poetesses, Sarojini Naidu, had quite a few English poems, and I'm sharing one with you today. It's called The Bird of Time by Sarojini Naidu. O bird of time, on your fruitful bough, what are the songs you sing? Songs of the glory and gladness of life, of poignant sorrow and passionate strife, and the lilting joy of the spring, of hope that sows for the years unborn, and faith that dreams of a tarrying morn, the fragrant peace of the twilight's breath, and the mystic silence that men call death. O bird of time, say, where did you learn the changing measures you sing? In blowing forests and breaking tides, in the happy laughter of new made brides, and the nest of the newborn spring, in the dawn that thrills to a mother's prayer, and the night that shelters a heart's despair, in the sigh of pity, the sob of hate, and the pride of a soul that has conquered fate.